Hello children. Before we start today's work in English, let's play a small game. Are you ready? Good. So in front of you, as you can see, on the table, there is a piece of paper and there is a box. On the paper, I have made 4 columns. Persons, places, animals and things. And you want to find out what is in the box? Let's have a look. There are a couple of chits inside the box. Now, I'm going to pick up one chit at a time from the box and then we are going to place it under the right column. So let me pick up a chit. Let's see what is the word. The word is apple. Okay. Now you tell me children, apple. Will I put it under persons or places or animals or things? Right. Apple is a thing which we eat. So I am going to place this under things. Very good. Let me pick up one more chit. What is this word? It is Gomti Nagar. Children, do you notice that the word Gomti Nagar is written in capital letter because it is a name of a specific place. So now tell me, where am I going to place this word Gomti Nagar? Under persons, places, animals or things? Right. I'm going to put it under the column of places. Good going. Let me pick another chit. The word is teacher. Where am I going to place this? Here or here or here or here? Teacher. Very good. Teacher will come under the column of persons. It is a name of a person who teaches you. Let's see what is the next word. The word is bottle. Children, where am I going to place this? Under which column? I am going to place it under persons or places or animals or things. Right, under things. Okay. So the next word is elephant. Now tell me, where will this word elephant go? Here or here or here or here? Okay, I can hear that. You are saying the elephant will go under the column of animals. Good. Is it okay now? Okay, let me pick up one more word. The word is Aman. Aman is a name of a boy. So as you can see, the word Aman is written in capital letter. It's beginning with a capital letter. Right, children? So now tell me, Aman is a name of a boy. It will come under which column? Good. It will go under the column of persons. The next word is D-O-G, dog. Dog is a name of an animal. So I'm going to place it under the column of animals. Very good. The next word is bedroom. Bedroom is a place in the house where you sleep. Isn't it, children? So where will I place this word? Under the column of places. So children, did you like the game? Very good. You can play this game in your free time with your brothers and sisters also. It is going to be a lot of fun. Isn't it, children? Children, now open your English grammar practice book to page number 15. Write today's date. Now let's read the instructions together. From the given set, list nouns as names of persons, places, animals and things. Let's read the words which are given inside the box. Principal, village, book, street, snake, alligator, teacher, Lucknow, carpenter, pencil box, zebra, horse, palace, ship, cobbler, watch, king, peacock, chair, and the last word is bus stop. Now children, did you notice? While all the other words are beginning with a small letter, there are two such words which are beginning with capital letter. Can you tell me which are those words? Very good. The word principal and the word Lucknow. Children, principal is a title given to the person who is the head of the school. That is the reason why principal is beginning with a capital letter. And since we know the name of the particular place, that is Lucknow. That is the reason why Lucknow is written in capital letter. So children, when you are listing these nouns under the appropriate column, you have to be very, very careful. Okay children, now let's do a few examples. As you can see, the page below is divided into 4 columns. Persons, places, animals and things. Now let's pick up one word at a time. The first word in the box is principal. So, since it is a name of a person, children, we are going to put it under which column? It will go under the column of persons. Can you see? It is already written in the example. Let's go to the next word. The next word is village. Where will we write village? It will come under the column of places. See, village is written over here. Let's come to the next word. The word is book. Children, book will come under which column? It will come under the column of things. Okay children, I hope you all have understood the work. So children, take out a sharpened pencil, keep it in front of you, observe 2 minutes silence, get focused and then start your work.